Step number 1. Use sliced meat and cheese for a classic lunch sandwich. Cold-cut deli meat and cheese is standard in a lot of simple sandwiches since they're easy to assemble. Try different deli meats, such as ham, turkey, or roast beef, to see what you like the best and layer a few slices on your bread. Then pick your favorite type of cheese to put on top of the meat. Spread mayonnaise or mustard on one of your bread slices and assemble your sandwich. 1. Some classic combinations you can try are ham or turkey with Swiss cheese, or roast beef and cheddar. Toast the sandwich if you want to melt the cheese and heat the meat. Layer multiple slices of meat, cheese, toast, and vegetables to make a club sandwich. Step number 2. Try a BLT for a tasty toasted sandwich. Cook 3 to 4 strips of bacon in a frying pan or in your oven until they're crispy and set them on a paper towel to absorb some of the grease. Lightly toast your bread so it's golden brown and crunchy. Place bacon, tomato, and lettuce on top one of the bread slices and put mayo on the top slice of your sandwich to finish your BLT. 2. Include avocado slices or use turkey bacon if you want to make your sandwich healthier. Try different kinds of bacon, such as maple infused or hickory smoked, to change the flavor of your BLT. Step number 3. Make a sandwich with egg and bacon for a breakfast option. Start by cooking the bacon in a frying pan or in your oven until the strips are crispy. Either fry your eggs or scramble them so it's easier to put on your sandwich. Toast your bread and layer the bacon and eggs on the bottom. Top your sandwich with cheese and mayonnaise to finish it so you can enjoy breakfast. 3. Put vegetables, like tomatoes, onions, or peppers, in your eggs to make your sandwich have a fresh flavor. Use a biscuit or an English muffin instead of bread if you want your sandwich to feel more like a breakfast meal. Tip: try turkey bacon or use only the egg whites if you want to make your breakfast sandwich healthier. Step number 4. Have a Reuben for a salty and tangy sandwich. Cut 2 slices of rye or pumpernickel bread and spread butter on them. Set one of the slices buttered side down in a pan, and layer slices of corned beef and Swiss cheese on top of the slice. Spread sauerkraut and Russian dressing on top of the meat and cheese before topping it with the other slice of bread. Heat the sandwich over medium-low heat and flip it over when one side gets crispy. 4. Compress the sandwich with another skillet while it's cooking to flatten it and make it easier to eat. Try having Reubens with different meats, like roast beef or chicken, if you want to experiment with flavors. Include pickles on your Reuben if you want another sour, tangy flavor to go with the sauerkraut. Step number 5. Cook a tuna melt for a delicious fish sandwich. Drain a can of tuna so it doesn't have any liquid left. Mix the tuna with mayonnaise, salt, and pepper to give it some flavor before spreading it onto your slices of bread. Include slices of your favorite cheese and vegetables before toasting the bread in a pan over medium-low heat. Flip the sandwich once it's golden brown on one side and let it finish cooking. 5. Mix hot sauce into your tuna if you want to make your sandwich spicier. Chop onions and peppers to mix in with your tuna if you want to add crunch to your sandwich.